Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. What to visit in Barcelona? So make sure to watch the full video. Welcome to Barcelona, a vibrant and cosmopolitan city nestled along the picturesque Mediterranean coast. Known for its stunning architecture, rich history, vibrant culture, and delectable cuisine, Barcelona offers an enchanting blend of ancient traditions and modern allure. Join us on an immersive journey as we uncover the top attractions and hidden gems that make Barcelona a truly captivating destination. 10. Sagrada Familia, Gaudi's architectural masterpiece. Marvel at the awe-inspiring Sagrada Familia, Antoni Gaudi's most iconic creation. Admire the intricate details, soaring spires, and mesmerizing stained glass windows of this unfinished basilica, which has become the symbol of Barcelona. 9. Park Güell, Gaudi's whimsical park. Step into a fairy tale world at Park Güell, another magnificent creation by Antoni Gaudi. Explore the vibrant mosaic-covered structures, wander through the lush gardens, and take in panoramic views of the city from the famous Dragon Stairway. 8. Gothic Quarter, wandering through history. Immerse yourself in Barcelona's medieval past as you stroll through the winding streets of the Gothic Quarter. Discover hidden squares, centuries-old buildings, and Gothic architecture, including the stunning Barcelona Cathedral. 7. La Rambla, the iconic boulevard. Experience the vibrant energy of La Rambla, Barcelona's famous boulevard. Walk along this bustling street, lined with shops, cafes, street performers, and flower stalls. Explore the nearby Mercat de Sant Josep de la Boqueria, a vibrant food market. 6. Casa Batlló, Art Nouveau delight. Visit Casa Batlló, one of Gaudi's most celebrated residential buildings. Admire its whimsical facade, organic shapes, and colorful mosaic tiles, which make it a true masterpiece of the modernist movement. 5. Parc de la Ciutadella, oasis in the city. Escape the urban bustle at Parc de la Ciutadella, Barcelona's largest park. Enjoy a leisurely stroll, rent a rowboat on the lake, or relax amidst the greenery. Don't miss the iconic Cascada Monumental, a stunning waterfall and monument. 4. Montjuïc Hill, panoramic views and cultural gems. Ascend Montjuïc Hill and be rewarded with breathtaking views of Barcelona's skyline and harbor. Explore the Montjuïc Castle, visit the Olympic Stadium, and discover the artistic wonders of the Montjuïc Magic Fountain. 3. Camp Nou, home of FC Barcelona. For sports enthusiasts, a visit to Camp Nou, the iconic home stadium of FC Barcelona, is a must. Explore the museum, take a tour of the stadium, and immerse yourself in the rich history and passion of one of the world's greatest football clubs. 2. Casa Mila, La Pedrera, a sculptural wonder. Discover another architectural gem by Gaudi at Casa Mila, also known as La Pedrera. Admire the undulating facade, rooftop sculptures, and innovative interior design that showcase Gaudi's unique vision. 1. Barceloneta Beach, sun, sea, and Mediterranean vibes. Relax and soak up the sun at Barceloneta Beach, Barcelona's most famous stretch of sand. Enjoy a refreshing swim in the Mediterranean Sea, savor delicious seafood at beachside restaurants, or simply unwind with a leisurely beachside stroll. Conclusion: Barcelona, with its remarkable architecture, vibrant culture, and stunning coastal location, offers an unforgettable experience for travelers. From the awe-inspiring masterpieces of Antoni Gaudi to the historic streets of the Gothic Quarter and the vibrant atmosphere of La Rambla, the city is a treasure trove of captivating sights and experiences. Embrace the Mediterranean lifestyle, indulge in delicious Catalan cuisine, and immerse yourself in the rich history and cultural heritage of this enchanting city. Barcelona's warmth, diversity, and dynamic spirit make it a destination that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. So embark on a journey through Barcelona's vibrant streets, discover its architectural wonders, savor its culinary delights, and create cherished memories in this captivating Catalan gem. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.